So customers' kids have had their hands on it, and as you can see there, they've broken the chip. And this is a Passat CC. So on this one, comfort control module out. Let's get some data out. So that's what we needed. I've got module. So now we've took this board out of the casing. So it's this chip here that we're going to read, and it's a 95320. So on this one, we're actually just going to clip onto this one, just because I'm being lazy today. We're going to clip on. We'll get the data. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to get his clip on. You have to always make sure that you've got these on the right way around. And I always hold it. And I'll press read. There you go. There's your data. And then we'll take this off. And that's it. Read your data. Now we can go on and start making a key to it. So that's done. Literally, they're the dealer keys that we've made. Now to get this put back in, and then we'll load them to the car. So now we've put the module back in. We're now going to learn the keys. Yeah. There's one. And that's two. Hold on.